Hey everybody, welcome or welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing y'all my lazy day makeup routine. So this is how I do my makeup on days where I really don't feel like doing anything with my face. I just don't want to be bothered with anything, but I feel like I need to look kind of like halfway decent when I go out today. So I kind of just threw this together, but to me it looks like I actually put a little bit of time into doing my makeup. So I'm going to show y'all how I did that. Let's get started. Okay, my brows are already done because even on days like today, I feel like just having my brows done, they kind of help me look like halfway decent. So I don't know if it looks like it on camera, but I just wasn't as precise as I normally am. But even on days like today, I will still do my brows. So those are already done. I'm going to start off with my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. And I'm just going to put this on all the areas of my face where I feel like I just need to cover up any like darkness or any areas of my face where I just want my skin tone to be a little even. So for me, that would be under my eyes, around my mouth, and my jawline. And I should have showed you guys how much I was using on my entire face before I applied it, but this is probably like maybe like a half pump of product. Normally I would blend this out with a brush, but today I'm going to use a sponge, and I'm just going to lightly blend everywhere where I put the foundation. And I may decide to go back and add a little bit more in some areas, but I'm not really trying to like cover up my face completely today. I'm just trying to like even out my skin tone. So I guess I'm basically like applying my foundation kind of like as a BB cream today. So I'm just blending it out everywhere. So I'm just kind of like taking that little bit of product and blending it out all over like the lower half of my face. And you can obviously still see like a little bit of darkness under my eyes. You can still see like a little unevenness everywhere, but again, like on days like today, I'm just kind of like, I'm like in a whatever mood. So, and even though I didn't put on a whole lot of foundation today, I am still going to set it with a powder just so that what I did put on doesn't move. So I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me in 15 Light, and I'm just going to lightly pat this all over my face. I'm not putting this on my immediate under eye area just because I put like minimal powder there. So again, you can see that my face is not like completely flawless looking, but it does look a lot better now that I've canceled out some of that darkness and that discoloration. Okay, moving on to blush and highlighter. I think blush is one of those products that will just wake up your entire face. Like even if you don't put on any foundation, any concealer, I feel like if you just throw on a little bit of blush, it'll just like wake your whole face up. And you guys know how much I love highlighter, but I'm actually not putting on a highlighter today because, you know, I'm just in one of those moods where I kind of like, I just don't care about doing too much of anything. But what I am going to do is I'm going to use a luminous blush. So this will help me give my face like just a subtle flush of color, but it's also going to give me a little bit of luminosity on my cheeks. So I'm going to be using the Milani Baked Blush. So it's kind of like a 2-in-1 deal with this product. The last time I used this, I didn't remember like how luminous it was, and I feel like I definitely prefer like more of a mattifying blush on my face. And this one, I'm starting to feel like, I used to love this blush so much, but I'm starting to feel like I need this in a darker color because it barely shows up on my face. Like the one that I normally use, my Note Cosmetics blush, this one just shows up a lot better. But this one, you can still see it, and I hope you guys can see that I have a little flush of color, and then right along the high points of my cheek, it actually gave me a little bit of highlight there, like inadvertently. So this is like a 2-in-1 deal. I'm pretty much killing two birds with one stone using this blush. I'm going to quickly set everything with my Maybelline setting spray. And then I'm going to go in with a little mascara. I'm going to be using the Essence Lash Princess Mascara today. I'm going to do this off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so pretty much the same deal with my mascara as I did with my eyebrows. I just wasn't as precise with it this morning, and I just didn't put on as much as I normally do. And on my lower lashes, I just have a very, very thin coat on my lower lashes. I pretty much just threw something on just to kind of balance out the top and the bottom lashes. And I'm going to finish everything off with my lips. Some days I'll just wear chapstick and call it a day, but if you want to kind of spruce up a look like this, if you want to kind of make it look like you spent a little more time on your makeup than you actually did, I think a good, easy way to do that is just to throw on some lip gloss. So I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Gloss, and this is in Gloss Bomb. And just adding some shine to your lips will help to spruce up your whole look. Okay, so I just wanted to show y'all what it looks like without my glasses. I am going to be wearing glasses today, so I'm going to put them on so y'all can see both ways. Okay, and this is my finished look. This is my lazy day makeup routine. I really hope that y'all enjoyed the video, and I hope to see y'all back for my next one. Until then, take care. Have a good one, y'all. Bye.